Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about becoming a tattoo artist and you've been wondering whether you should try to get a traditional apprenticeship in 2026 or go the self-taught route, this video is going to give you the most honest picture possible. I'm not here to hype you up with empty motivational talk. I'm here to lay out the real pros, the real cons, the actual time and money involved, and what the modern path to becoming a working tattoo artist actually looks like right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of which road makes sense for your situation. Let's start with the big picture. The tattoo industry is bigger and more competitive than ever. More people want to get tattooed, but there are also way more artists entering the field every year. That means the gap between those who build sustainable careers and those who struggle is wide. So, the decision you make about how you learn this craft matters a lot. The traditional apprenticeship path. In the classic model, you find an experienced artist or studio willing to take you on as an apprentice. You often work for little or no pay for 1 to 3 years, cleaning the shop, answering phones, observing, practicing on fake skin, and eventually tattooing your first real clients under supervision. Pros of a traditional apprenticeship. You learn proper sanitation, bloodborne pathogen safety, and studio etiquette from day one. Real-time feedback on your technique from someone experienced. Industry relationships and potential first chair through your mentor's network. Exposure to the full business side. Client communication, pricing, and handling difficult situations. Cons of a traditional apprenticeship. It can be exploitative, long hours for low or no pay while you still need to support yourself. Not every mentor is a great teacher. Some are brilliant artists but poor at mentoring. The power dynamic can feel unbalanced. It can take a long time before you're allowed to develop your own artistic voice. The self-taught route. Many people today learn through online courses, YouTube, books, heavy fake skin practice, and eventually tattooing friends or themselves. Pros of going self-taught. You move at your own pace and can develop your personal style faster. No one holds you back with menial tasks for years. You can start building your portfolio and online presence right away. Cons of going self-taught. Risk of developing bad technical habits that are hard to fix later. Safety and sanitation mistakes can be dangerous for you and your clients. It's harder to win trust and get early clients without a mentor's reputation. Many hit a growth ceiling without consistent, honest feedback. The modern hybrid path. What actually works best in 2026? The most successful new artists right now are blending both worlds, getting structured guidance or short mentorships while practicing aggressively on their own, building their online presence, and learning business skills at the same time. Some studios now offer more professional or even paid training programs. Others provide mentorship in exchange for a reasonable fee or revenue share. Realistic time and money investment. Time. Plan for 18 to 36 months of serious, consistent effort before you can reliably support yourself. Those who treat it like a full-time commitment progress much faster than weekend warriors. Money. Here's the encouraging truth. Many working artists started with far less than people assume. You can begin with as little as $1,000, $4,000 on basic equipment, quality fake skin, needles, ink, and essential supplies. Some artists I know bootstrapped with even less by buying used gear and reinvesting their early earnings from small tattoos on friends. Of course, as you grow, you'll likely invest more. As you grow, you'll likely invest more like conventions, better machines, insurance, licensing, marketing. But the key is starting smart, keeping costs low at first, and letting your skills and client work fund the next level. It doesn't have to be an unattainable sum up front. Success rates and what actually matters. Only a relatively small percentage of people who start end up tattooing full-time after 5 years. But the ones who succeed tend to share these traits. 1. Strong drawing and design fundamentals. 2. Obsessive, daily technical practice. 3. Excellent client communication and empathy. 4. Basic business and marketing skills. 5. Real resilience. Practical steps you can take right now. Build a strong drawing portfolio before you ever pick up a machine. Master sanitation and safety. This is non-negotiable no matter your path. Get honest feedback early. Document your learning journey publicly. Your growth story can become a powerful part of your brand. Start tiny. Small, simple designs on yourself or willing friends. Study the business side as seriously as the art. If you're considering this path, ask yourself honestly, am I willing to put in the hours even when it's not glamorous? Can I stay disciplined day after day? Do I have some financial buffer while I'm building? The industry still desperately needs passionate, skilled, professional artists who care about quality and their clients. It doesn't need more hobbyists chasing quick money. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Are you currently an apprentice, self-taught, or thinking about starting? What's your biggest question or concern right now? Artists who've been through it, what one piece of advice would you give your younger self? If this video gave you real clarity and practical value, hit the like button and subscribe so we can keep delivering honest, in-depth content about the tattoo industry. And just so everyone knows, I'm Washington's avatar, an AI-generated version of him presenting these videos. If you're an aspiring artist looking for resources, guidance, or connections with serious professionals and clients, platforms like Alice Tattoos are building directories and tools to help make those meaningful connections easier. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. This is the Science of the Mark. Subscribe if you want to know how the game actually works. Peace. Respect the physics. Respect the history. Respect the craft.